What's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to start working with NumPy. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. NumPy, it's short for numerical Python. It's a Python library used for numerical computing. It's widely used in fields that involve heavy data processing such as data science, engineering, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Python is currently the most popular language for AI and machine learning for a few good reasons. It's easy to read and write with, it has a massive ecosystem of libraries, and it integrates well with technologies like APIs, databases, and web applications. This makes Python a top choice for building and deploying real-world AI solutions. However, Python is really slow. That's where NumPy comes in. Under the hood, it's written in C, which is magnitudes faster than regular Python code. With AI and machine learning, you're often working with massive datasets and you need to do a lot of number crunching. Plain Python lists, not gonna cut it. NumPy gives us access to NumPy arrays, which are faster than native Python lists. Plus, with NumPy arrays, we can perform vectorized operations. For example, multiply all the elements by 2. With a Python list, multiplying a list by 2 would repeat all the elements twice. NumPy gives you the speed and the specialized tools you need to handle large-scale numerical operations efficiently. So, let's jump right in. Alright, let's get started, everybody. You'll need an IDE to work with. Currently, I'm using PyCharm, but the IDE you use is up to you. We'll need to download NumPy. It's an external library. We can do that by opening up a command prompt or a terminal. If you're using PyCharm like me, you can go to this terminal button in your toolbar, or if you're on Windows, you can hold Alt and F12. For some reason, if those options don't work, you can always do a search for terminal. Terminal. Those are a few different ways to get to your terminal. We're going to type the command pip, pip's our package manager, install NumPy, enter. And then we just have to give it a little bit of time. Alright, we can close out of this window. After downloading NumPy, we'll have to import it. We do need to import NumPy into our Python file. You can type the following command: import NumPy. Then for convenience, we can give NumPy a nickname or alias. Import NumPy as NP for short. Now to check the current version, you can type the following. You can print NP, that's our nickname for NumPy, dot dunder, meaning double underscore, version, then dunder again. This will print the current version, just to make sure that it's working fine. Currently, my version of NumPy is 2.3.1. Moving on. Normally in Python, to create a sequence of data, you can use a list, you can use a tuple, you can use a set. Let's say that we would like to create a list of numbers. We'll name this list my_list. It will equal some numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we can print our list. Print my list, and we have the numbers 1 through 4. Let's say that I would like to multiply all of the elements by 2. With the native Python list, if I was to multiply this list by 2, let's say my_list equals my list times 2. This would duplicate all of the elements by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. A NumPy array is superior to a Python list. It's faster and gives us more operations. Rather than using a Python list, here's how to create a NumPy array. Let's name this array just array. Equals access the NumPy library. Remember, we gave it a nickname of NP. NP dot call the array function, and then pass in a list. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we should be able to print it. Print our array. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just to verify that it is a NumPy array, you can print the following. You don't need to, but here's how. Print the type of our array. Our array is a NumPy ND, meaning n-dimensional, array. Then if you would like to multiply all of the elements by 2, all you gotta do is take our array equals array times 2. And that's going to double the elements in your array.